1 more minute. So find your meditation spot. We're going to do this. We're going to fucking meditate. I'm also recording this shit too. So I'm going to put it on video after. I'll post it. So let's do it. Let's do it, everybody. Let's do it, fuckers. You ready? All right. Time to meditate. So sit your asses down. Sit the fuck down or lie down. It's time to meditate. Close your eyes. Close your fucking eyes. Don't overthink this. Close your eyes and just bring your attention and awareness to your breathing. Attention and awareness to your breath. Nothing to do or fucking control. Just notice your breath. Observe your breath. Be the witness to your breath. Yes. Now take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, sigh it the fuck out, let it all go. Yes, let's do it again. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale, release your fuck, sigh it out. Yes, and you can smile during this meditation. Just relax. Bring your attention and awareness to your nipples, your nips. You can laugh. Attention and awareness to your nips. These nips of yours start to allow you to relax. Swirling relaxation around your nips. And this swirling relaxation starts to expand. Starts to expand all throughout your body. Relaxation from your nips all throughout your body. Relaxing your fucking face. Relaxing that booty of yours. Feeling a wave of relaxation all the way up and all the way down. All the way down. Relaxation all the way up and all the way down. And during this meditation, all you have to do is breathe and listen to the sound of my voice. That's it. That's all you have to do. So completely relax your body. Completely relax your body now. That's right. And now bring your awareness and attention to your thoughts. And just watch your thoughts like you're watching a movie. Your thoughts are on a TV screen like you're watching a movie. Nothing to do or control with your thoughts. Just watch your thoughts like you're watching a movie. Your thoughts roll the fuck in and roll the fuck out. Starting to relax now. And your thoughts on the TV screen, your TV screen gets smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller until you just can't see your thoughts anymore. Completely relaxing the mind. Turning the volume all the way down. Down and fucking down. Relaxing, settling, drifting, dreaming as you breathe and as you listen to the sound of my voice. And no matter what you're here for, if you came here for peace or grief or anxiety, whatever you need relief from, you'll get relief from that. Allow your heart to open. And whatever you came here for, I want you to see that in your mind's eye. What do you need relief from? What fucked up, stuck energy do you need relief from? See it in your mind's eye right here, right now. Some people see it with pictures. Other people see it in sounds. Some people just feel feelings, and that's okay. But feel it right now. If you have to cry, if you have to laugh, do it. See it in your mind's eye. And now allow that fucked up picture to fade away. But stay with the feeling in your body. Where in the body do you feel this energy? Where in the body do you feel this energy? There's a place in your body you feel this energy. Locate it, pinpoint it. Find exactly where this energy is. And once you know exactly where it is, you may start to see a color. First color that comes to your mind, first color you see. First color that comes to your mind, first color you see. It could be one color, it could be multiple colors. You may not see a color at all, and that's okay. And now pull this fucking color out of your body. Pull it out of your body. Pull this color out of your body, this energy, pull it out of your body, and shape it into a ball out in front of you. Shape it into a ball out in front of you. This color could change when you pull it out. Shape it into a ball out in front of you. Get it all out, this color. Shape it into a ball out in front of you. It could be any size color. It could be any size ball. And you notice that this ball is spinning in a certain direction. Which way is this ball spinning? Which way is this ball rotating? And if for some reason it's not spinning, which way would it spin if it were to spin? And now start spinning it the opposite direction to transform this energy. Spin it the opposite direction, faster. Spin it faster, 10 times faster in the opposite direction, transforming the energy. 100 times faster, spin it faster and faster, 1,000 times faster, faster and faster until you know this energy is transformed, faster and faster until you know this energy is transformed. Yes. And now you start to feel warmth behind you. You start to feel heat behind you. And take this ball and you turn around and there's a great big fire. And whenever you're ready to release this energy, toss it into the fire. Toss this ball into the fire. And you feel a sense of relief, a sense of ease, a sense of freedom because you tossed it into the fire. Just notice how your body feels. Notice this fucked up energy gone. Some people feel a sense of release. Some people feel that they can breathe easier. But just notice how you feel. And as you feel this sense of relief, this ease, this freedom, this peace, say silently to yourself, I am fucking loved. I am fucking loved. And just allow any emotions to come up. Say it again. I am fucking loved. Feels good. Yes, you're so loved. Yes, you are. I am so fucking loved. And take this feeling, take this energy with you throughout your night, throughout your day. Take this feeling, take this energy with you tomorrow, all throughout the week, all throughout the month, all throughout the year. Feeling this sense of ease, freedom, and remembering you're so fucking loved. Yes, you are. Take a nice deep inhale through your nose. Exhale, open the mouth, sigh it the fuck out, releasing all your fucks. Boom.